Good morning, boys and girls. Today you are going to get to make your name in your flower. What in the There we go. We're going to make a flower garden using our names. We are going to need our flower pot page, our flower page, but then we're also going to need a black marker, some scissors, and then you are free or welcome to write your name on the pot, to add color to the pot or decorations. If you have stickers or glitter or whatever, you can decorate your pot. You can also add some colors to your flowers. They were supposed to be colored, but we were having some issues, so they did not get to be colored. What I would like you to do first is, if you have a long name, we might have to use the smaller flowers so they all fit in our flower garden. But if you have a shorter name, you could use the bigger flowers. Okay, there's not enough of these small flowers for my name, so I'm going to use one medium flower for my first letter, and then I'm going to write the letter, one letter of my name on each flower. R-E-N-T-S-C-H-L-E-R. Okay. Now, I'm going to pause, and after you get your, well, I want you to pause too. I want you to pick your flower that you're able to use. I want you to write one letter of your name on each flower, and then cut your flower out. Be careful with the stem, but do the best that you can, okay? And then you can cut your flower pot out as well, and then we'll meet back here when we're done. Right, so I just wanted to show you. I cut out my flower pot, and then I cut out a flower, and I'm gonna stick my stem right behind. And if you want to lay your name out to make sure that it's spaced, you can do that. But if you just you can either flip it over and do glue on the back, because getting glue on just that little stem is gonna be hard. See, I got some on my table, but that's okay. It comes off too. And then it sticks, and I can pick it up, and it's still there. So then I'll continue, and I will spell out the rest of my name. After you get your name spelled out and you decorate your flowers in your flower pot, if you post a picture on our Facebook page or email it to me so that way I can see your beautiful creations. I can't wait, and I hope that you have fun. Have a great day.